The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Fort Wayne Police Department. Residents of Fort Wayne, return home immediately and lock all doors and windows. There have been many reports of a dangerous suspect roaming around the city of Fort Wayne. The description and whereabouts of the suspect are currently unknown at this time. All residents are strongly advised to stay indoors, with all windows and doors locked. If you see any suspicious activity in your area, please call 911 or your local police department. Stay tuned to this station for more information about this potentially dangerous situation. National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for. Hey, are you even listening? This alert here is more important than your precious TV show, so you better listen up, you little wimp. Anyways, wait, where's my script?
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Fort Wayne Police Department. More information about the suspect has been found. The suspect is a white male, about 9 years of age, and was last seen wearing a red shirt and blue and white shorts. This suspect closely resembles the kid that went missing and was possessed 2 years ago. However, it is unknown if that is actually him. All residents are advised to keep all windows and doors locked, and to not let anybody in, no matter who or what it is. Stay tuned to this station for more information about this unusual situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Fort Wayne Police Department. The suspect has now been fully identified. The suspect is 9-year-old Nicholas Hudson, a white male, 4 feet 9 inches tall, weighing about 76 pounds, with dirty blonde hair and brown eyes, He was last seen wearing a red shirt, blue and white shorts, and green shoes. This is the same kid that was possessed 2 years ago. It is unknown if this kid is possessed again or is just violent. But a lot of residents are saying that he is not possessed, but going through some sort of phenomenon, either that or he possessed. All residents are advised to stay hidden from the public. You guys already know what to do at this point, so I'm not going to waste my time explaining what to do. Stay tuned to this station for more information about the situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Nicholas Hudson, the boy who was going on a rampage and was possessed 2 years ago, was found unconscious near an abandoned building. It is unknown what happened to him, but it is believed that he was attacked by something or someone. At the same time, multiple reports have came in about a strange phenomenon that has been occurring in the Fort Wayne area. Residents have been reporting about people having horrific hallucinations that cause them to go into a manic episode. The exact cause of this phenomenon is currently unknown at this time. All residents are strongly advised to continue to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. If you or someone in your house is experiencing anything strange, please contact your local police department or call 911 if you're in danger. Stay tuned to this station for more information about this potentially dangerous situation.
Okay, I'm very confused. What exactly is going on here?
I honestly have no idea, Tom. Whatever this is, it's getting out of hand.
Yeah, for once I'm gonna have to agree with you, Paul. Hopefully law enforcement will handle this situation before it escalates even further.
Great, now what?
Didn't that happen like 2 scenarios ago?
Guys, we gotta get out of here, like, right now.
Good evening, everyone. We have some breaking news. As of recently, there has been a huge riot over at the EAS headquarters. Speaking of riots, riots have also been all over the state of Indiana and surrounding areas. Right now I have Kendra over at the headquarters interviewing one of the workers. Kendra, are you there?
I feel like something similar to this has happened before. Anyways, yes, I'm here with David, one of the workers here at the EAS headquarters. So David, can you explain exactly what happened?
So, I was in the break room talking with my co-workers about the ongoing situation. Then all of a sudden, sirens started to go off, then we heard glass shattering and the alarm in the headquarters started to sound. One of my other co-workers barged in and urged us to evacuate the headquarters. While we were evacuating, I saw a huge crowd of people trying to break into the headquarters, with more heading towards the headquarters, and I believe at least a couple got in, cause one of the windows was broken. And now we're here, being interviewed.
Thank you, David. Well, there you have it. This should give you some insight on what's going on right now. Make sure that you are stocked up on supplies, and barricade your shelters as well. Back to you, James.
Thank you, Kendra. Well, that's it for the news. We will update you on this situation due to the EAS being unavailable at the moment. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe.
Attention everyone, this is Tom from the EAS headquarters. We are doomed, we are all doomed. The situation has escalated further than we thought it would. The amount of people that are in these manic episodes has increased. In fact, the manic episodes have been taken to another level, and at this point they are now completely brainwashed. All residents that are still here, if you are hearing this, stay as hidden as you can, and hope for the best. Just in case, say your final goodbyes to any loved ones and friends. This is Tom, signing off. Good luck everyone. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. It's over. It's finally over. About 25 minutes ago, the people that were brainwashed collapsed to the ground, and black smoke erupted from them. 10 seconds later, those people woke up dazed, signifying that they were back to normal. It is unknown how this happened. But we did find out the cause of the brainwashing. It has been revealed that the demon that brainwashed Nicholas Hudson was responsible for brainwashing thousands upon thousands of citizens. After the demon got out of Nicholas's body, it took over his body again temporarily, then it left his body, and went ahead to take over the thousands of citizens that fell for this phenomenon. These citizens went through the exact same phenomenon Nicholas did 2 years ago. All residents are now free to exit their shelters. The government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. All normal programming may now resume regularly.